Okay, guys, I got the Magnus pistol. It's stationed right over here. That's a little closer. Now let's take it out. Take with 3 bullets.
You need help?
I think so. Okay, I'm gonna have my mom help me. Okay, Mom?
Okay, put it over here so I can do it.
Don't forget the handle. Now, got the pistol out. Then. Got it out. Can load. Yeah. Come out.
Let me see.
Spreading out. And now,
go.
Okay, eventually what we have to load is this. We'll grab your 3 bullets. And this. Put another one in. They think it can't, but just push it down and boom, it's in. And then do it again for the last bullet. And then push down. Shoot. Now top of range test. Let's go over there.
Go.
Okay, so we're doing range test on the Mega Magnus. So
It says you can shoot it up to how many feet? 85.
yeah, 85.